Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete a PR on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete a PR on GitHub. But firstly, let's check out what we have in front of us. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the three lines where you can click on and have the home, issues, and pull requests. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile picture, we have set status, your profile, repositories, etc, etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete a PR on GitHub. So it is pretty straightforward, and you just need to go and follow these steps. So to start off, you need to navigate to your repository. So go and click on the repository. So this is the main screen here, and click on your repository. Then go to the pull request tab. So it's here, this third tab, as you can see. Click on the pull request tab, and of course, and then select the pull request. Find the pull request you want to close and click on its title. So I don't have any at the moment, but when you create new pull request here, then you can have one. Then scroll down to the bottom of the pull request page and click Close Pull Request button. Optionally, you can also delete the branch associated with the pull request to keep your repository tidy. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.